Hey guys, Liz Ronick here, founder of Misfit Boss. Just to give you a little background about me, I am certified in personal training and nutritional therapy, and I grew up overweight, obese, getting bullied. By the time I reached sophomore in college, I was 300 pounds, and I have since lost over 150 pounds and am on a mission to empower people to live happy, healthy lives. So, I am going to cook for you guys some chicken, green beans, and sweet potatoes. And we're gonna do it all on one pan, which I love, keeping it simple. And so what we'll do is we will line the pan with aluminum foil, just the middle part. So what we're gonna do is put the chicken on the middle part. So I'm gonna spray it with, I have some avocado oil, I'm gonna spray down. And we're gonna make a little boat out of the foil. And I've seasoned my chicken with some red pepper, cilantro, basil, and salt and pepper. So I just had this ready. We're gonna put this on the foil, put the smaller parts in the middle because it's gonna cook faster. So here is our chicken breast. It's just plain chicken breast, and then the seasonings on top of it. Just spread it out evenly. And then we're gonna do our little fold here to make sure that we have a little barrier for any of the yummy juices so that they don't spread into our green beans. Not saying that would be a bad thing, but some people don't like everything to mix. So we're gonna keep that separate. Got the chicken right there, and then I have my pre-washed green beans, just fresh cut. I'm gonna put this right here on the side. Got most of the stems off. There's a few, so we'll pick those off. Put those to the side. And then finally what we're gonna do, I know a lot of people like sweet potato fries. I like my sweet potatoes sweet, like a dessert. So I am gonna cook mine as a dessert, like I love them. So what we'll do is we'll chop these up into chunks. I take off the front part. Put that in the bowl. And sweet potatoes, you could substitute this recipe. You could use white potatoes or red potatoes. I just like sweets, so I make mine with sweet potatoes. All right, and it's just a raw sweet potato, so we're gonna quarter it up. I leave the skin on, give you a little bit more fiber. We're gonna roast the sweet potatoes. So just drop them on here. So pretty and colorful. Quarter this one.
That's bigger.
Yeah, it's bigger. And what I love is being able to cook a healthy meal, quick, easy, and incorporate my babies. So I have one baby behind the camera and the other baby's over here enjoying her icy pop. Is that yummy, Laylee? Okay. All right. Careful not to chop any fingers. Add some extra protein in there. Woo! All right, so what I've done is I have preheated the oven to 400. I'm gonna sprinkle the rest of these on here. We don't want them too thick.
That's a lot though.
It is a lot of them. We don't want them too thick because we want to make sure they get cooked all the way through, because the chicken does not need very much time, just 15 minutes. So we're gonna spread that out. And then before I put the second layer on, I'm going to sprinkle some cinnamon on there. Because I love cinnamon a lot. I love cinnamon a lot. And then I have a little packet of stevia that I add a little bit of sweetness to. And then we will put the last part of our sweet potato on there.
Mom, last one.
Last one, just like she said. We're gonna cut that in half because that's kind of thick. And so is that one. So now we have all our sweet potatoes on here. I'm gonna add a little bit more cinnamon because like I told you, I like my dessert. A little bit more cinnamon. And then one more pack of stevia in the raw. All right. Put all that there. I'm gonna spray it with a little bit of olive oil. Get it to soak in a little bit more. Sorry, not olive oil, avocado oil. And then I have this seasoning blend that has, it's no salt, so it has onion, garlic, carrot, black pepper. I'm gonna sprinkle some of that on there. On the green beans. Last one. And then a little bit of garlic salt. And what we're gonna do, because we already have the oven preheated, is we are going to put this in the oven for 15 minutes. See the beauty and the color. Okay, I'm gonna drop this in here.
Hey, Mom, that's orange.
Yeah. All right, now what we're gonna do is something fun and exciting. I'm gonna make sure we have it on so that we don't overcook our stuff. And then we're gonna put the timer on.
Mom, it's all
15
gone.
minutes. All right, so she has finished her icy pop. So while we have 15 minutes, we are going to go flip it. And I'm gonna grab this lovely bottle jug. Because now we have perfect amount of time for a workout.
I didn't want down, so there.
All right, come on, let's go exercise.
Let's go exercise.
All right, so now we have 15 minutes. You know what that means? Plenty of time to get a workout in. So a lot of us have crazy schedules and picking up the kids, feeding the kids, cooking. It takes a lot of time to get ready and to go to the gym. So the mission here is to get a quick workout in while dinner is in the oven. So I have my two helpers. Can you say hi?
Hi.
All right, so the first thing we're gonna do is 40 jumping jacks. You ready?
Yes.
Let's do it. All right. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Come on, 20. Keep going. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. 10 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good. Now, laying back, we're going to do crunches. So now we're going to do 30 crunches. Lay down and crunch up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 10 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good. Now raises. Can you give Sissy her jug? So we grabbed easy peasy, no equipment needed. We just grabbed jugs. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna squat and raise. Squat and raise for 20. 3, 4, 5, 6, good. 7, squat, get your booty low. 8, 9, 10, good. 10 more. You want this one? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, good. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good. Now, we're going to drop the jugs, and Terry's going to show us how to do 10 burpees. Ready? Yes.
Okay.
All right, watch out, Sissy.
Mom, look at me.
All right, go ahead. Do your burpees.
Okay.
Down, kick out, and back
not
up.
down. I said like that.
Okay, Layla's going to do bridges. Tierney's going to do burpees. That's 1.
No,
9 more.
You're going to do burpees.
Yes. 3, 4, 5, 6,
Okay. I know.
7. She only has 3 more.
Oh.
8, 9. Last one. Good. 10.
What about
So-
burpees?
Oh, we want bridges?
Yes.
Alright, Sissy's going to get on the ground and do bridges with Laylee for 10. Alright, so that was 1 round. And what we'll do is we'll take a break and then we'll get another round in. And what I want you to do is listen to your body, take your breaks when needed, and get as many rounds as you can done before the timer goes off. Okay? Alright, let's do it. Make sure to have your water ready.
Water.
Water. Stay hydrated. Listen to your body.